Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the age requirement for Vanguard Cash Plus. Vanguard Cash Plus is a cash management account. The key point to understand is that it is a brokerage account. Vanguard's accounts, including the Cash Plus account, are typically for adults. You must be at least 18 years old to open a Vanguard brokerage account on your own. While an adult cannot open a Vanguard Cash Plus account for a minor, Vanguard does offer other types of investment accounts specifically for children, such as a custodial account. These accounts are opened by an adult on behalf of a minor, and the adult manages the account until the child reaches a certain age, usually between 18 and 25, depending on the state. In short, there is an age requirement of 18 or older to open a Vanguard Cash Plus account for yourself. However, adults can use other types of Vanguard accounts to save and invest for a minor. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.